Most people quit crochet way too early, not because it's hard, but because they start with the wrong projects. Giant blankets, complicated sweaters, patterns that look like math homework. No wonder people give up. But what if you had a list of simple things you could make right away? Things that actually look good, even if you just learned how to hold the hook yesterday. That's what this video is about. By the end, you'll have over 100 beginner crochet ideas you can start today. Crochet is one of those hobbies that looks harder than it really is. When you watch someone who has done it for years, their hands move fast and the yarn just flows. But the truth is, most crochet projects are just the same few stitches again and again. Once you learn the basics, a lot of doors open. The problem beginners run into is choice. You search easy crochet projects, and suddenly you're staring at thousands of patterns. Some say beginner, but secretly expect you to already know 10 stitches. Others need tons of yarn or special tools. It gets confusing fast, and that's when motivation drops. So instead of throwing random patterns at you, think of crochet ideas in small, fun categories. Projects you can finish quickly, projects that help your hands learn, projects that actually make you excited to keep going. Let's start with the smallest wins. The first group is tiny projects. These are perfect when you're brand new because they finish fast and teach control. Things like simple coasters, square ones, round ones, even heart-shaped ones. You can make a whole set in one evening. Mug rugs are another good one, just slightly bigger than coasters. Then there are cup sleeves for coffee cups, bottle holders, small bookmarks, hair scrunchies, basic bracelets, phone charms, keychains, little stars, tiny hearts, mini pumpkins, small flowers. You can also make simple appliques, clouds, suns, leaves, smiley faces. These are great because they use very little yarn and help you practice stitches without pressure. Already, that's a lot of ideas, and we're just getting started. Next are beginner accessories. These are things people actually use every day, and they're still very easy. Scarves are one of the best starting points. Straight rows, relaxing rhythm, and you see progress quickly. Try chunky scarves, thin scarves, color block scarves, striped scarves. Headbands are another favorite for beginners. Ear warmers, twisted headbands, simple bands with a button. They work up fast and make great gifts. Beanies might sound scary at first, but many beginner beanies are just basic stitches in the round. Slouchy hats, fitted hats, ribbed hats, messy bun hats. You can also try fingerless gloves, simple mitts, basic cowls, neck warmers, even simple shawls made from repeating rows. Now let's talk about things for the home, because this is where crochet becomes really fun. Dishcloths are probably the most recommended beginner project in the world, and for good reason. They teach tension, they're useful, and mistakes don't matter much. After dishcloths, you can move to hand towels, washcloth sets, soap savers, pot holders, hot pads, simple table mats, placemats, napkin rings. Then there are baskets, small yarn baskets, desk organizers, hanging baskets for plants, storage bowls. Pillow covers are another great step up. Just crochet 2 squares and join them together. Suddenly you have custom pillows that match your room. Blankets can also be beginner-friendly if you pick the right kind. Granny square blankets are perfect because each square is small and simple. Striped blankets are good too, since you just repeat rows. Patchwork blankets made of many squares are also great because you can work on them little by little. Now let's get into one of the most popular parts of crochet, cute stuff. Amigurumi might look complicated, but many beginner plushies are actually very simple. You can start with basic shapes, little balls that become animals, tiny whales, small octopus toys, mini bears, pocket frogs, jellyfish with curly tentacles, small cats, round chicks, simple bunnies. Food is another fun category. Crochet strawberries, tiny carrots, mini donuts, cupcakes, watermelons, avocados, mushrooms. These are fun because they're small and make perfect gifts. Now think about crochet for babies. These projects are loved because they're soft, quick, and adorable. Baby booties are classic. Baby hats are even easier. Small baby blankets, pacifier clips, baby mittens, soft rattles, teething ring covers. You can also make baby headbands, tiny cardigans, and stroller toys once you get a bit more confident. Another big category beginners enjoy is seasonal crochet. For example, during fall, you can make pumpkins, leaves, and small decorations. In winter, you can crochet snowflakes, ornaments, mini trees, and stocking decorations. Spring projects could be flowers, butterflies, bees, and pastel garlands. Summer ideas include bucket hats, beach bags, water bottle holders, and market bags. Holiday projects are also great practice. Heart garlands for Valentine's Day, Easter eggs, Halloween ghosts, Christmas stars. And speaking of bags, that's another category beginners love once they know the basics. Start with simple tote bags, then try small drawstring bags, granny square bags, market bags that stretch, mini purses, phone bags, yarn pouches. Bags teach shape, strength, and how stitches work together. Now let's talk about learning projects. These are ideas that help you grow without feeling like homework. Granny squares are the perfect example. You can make dozens and each one can look different. Solid granny squares, flower granny squares, sunburst granny squares, color-changing squares. Then there are stitch practice projects like sampler scarves or small blankets where each section uses a new stitch. You can also make patchwork projects using leftover yarn, scrap blankets, scrap bags, scrap coasters. These are great because nothing goes to waste. Another fun idea beginners often miss is crochet gifts. Handmade gifts feel special even if they're simple. Think about mug cozies, bookmarks, mini plants, keychains, lip balm holders, glasses cases, and small pouches. Teachers love handmade bookmarks. Friends love scrunchies. Family members love scarves. And when people see something you made with yarn, the reaction is almost the same. You made that? That feeling right there is what keeps people crocheting. But here's something important most beginners don't realize. Finishing projects matters more than perfect projects. Your first coaster might be crooked. Your first hat might be a little big. That's normal. Every finished piece teaches your hands something new. That's why having a huge list of simple ideas is powerful. Instead of getting stuck on one hard pattern, you move from project to project. Each one builds skill without stress. So imagine this. Instead of spending weeks trying to finish one blanket, you make a coaster today, a scrunchie tomorrow, a bookmark the next day, then a beanie, then a small plushie. Before you know it, you've made 10 things, then 20. Then suddenly, crochet doesn't feel confusing anymore. It feels easy. And the crazy part? Many people who start with simple beginner projects end up selling their crochet later. What starts as a small hobby turns into gifts, then requests from friends, and sometimes even a small business. All from learning the basics and finishing small projects. So if you're new to crochet, don't chase the hardest patterns online. Start small, make fun things, let your hands learn step by step. Because those tiny projects add up fast. And one day you'll look at a pile of things you made and realize you actually got really good at this. Now go watch the next video and learn your first easy project.